Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Inshuti yawe magara ni iyihe? My best friend is Ali. My best friend is Ali. Inshuti magara yanjye ni Ali. Who is on the phone? Who is on the phone? Ninde uri kuri telefone? It's my mom. It's my mom. Ni mama. Who did it? Who did it? Ninde wabikoze? Chris did it. Chris did it. Chris niwe wabikoze. Who do you think will win? Who do you think? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is Learn English with Bonaj. Anikuri iga icyongereza na Bonaj. Today we are going to learn WH questions. Tugikuwa twakwiga ibibazo ya who, what, when, why, where, how. That is what you are going to be learning ndetse n'ibindi. Ibi ni ibibazo dukoresha cyane iyo tuvuga icyongereza. Who bivuze inde, where hehe, what iki, when ryari, which kihe. We are going to be learning these questions to help you to be able to ask questions or to respond questions. Turaza kuba twiga ibi kugira ngo bigufashe kuba wabaza ibibazo cyangwa se kuwasubiza ibibazo. Ibi nibyo twita WH questions, ni ibibazo biba birimo wa na ha. Tugira n'ibibazo bya yes no questions aho tuba tubaza dukoresheje verb to be, to have na to do. Uyu munsi iri niryo somo tugiye kwiga. Before we dive into the lesson of today, I want you to know that we can teach you wherever you are. Aho waba uri hose twakwigisha. As long as you have your phone and your internet, that is now. Ufite telefone yawe, internet yawe, ibyo birahagije. Turagukurikirana, icyo usabwa no kwishyura minerivare, turagukurikirana ku murongo kugeza uvuze icyongereza. If you are in USA, Canada, Europe or any part of the world and feel like you want to learn with us, we can teach you via Zoom. Uri muri Amerika, muri Canada, muri Europe n'ahandi wifuza kwigana natwe, turakwigisha kuri Zoom. Enough for introduction. Now let's dive into the lesson. Reka twinjire mu isomo twige WH questions. Let's do this. What is your name? What is your name? Witwa nde? My name is John Doe. My name is John Doe. Nitwa John Doe. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? Ubusanzwe ubyuka ryari? I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Ubusanzwe mbyuka saa 12:30 za mu gitondo. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Ukora iki iyo ufite umwanya? In my free time, I enjoy reading books and going for hikes. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and going for hikes. Iyo mfite umwanya, nkunda gusoma ibitabo, hajya no gutembera. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Ni irihe funguro ukunda kurusha ayandi? My favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is sushi. Ifunguro nkunda kurusha ayandi ni sushi. What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? Nihe filme ukunda gusumbya izindi? My favorite movie is Rocky. My favorite movie is Rocky. Filme nkunda gusumbya izindi ni Rocky. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Ni ubuhe bwoko bw'umuziki ukunda? I like R&B. I like R&B. Nkunda R&B. Where? Where are you from? Where are you from? Uturuka hehe? I'm from New York, USA. I'm from New York, USA. Nkomoka muri New York, muri Amerika. Where did you go to school? Where did you go to school? Wize hehe? I went to learn English first. I went to learn English first. Nize kuri iga vuba Icyongereza. Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Ibitaro biri hafi biri hehe? The nearest hospital is 5 miles away. The nearest hospital is 5 miles away. Ibitaro biri hafi biri muri mayiro 5. Where was the meeting? Where was the meeting? Inama yabereye he? The meeting took place in Serena Hotel. The meeting took place in Serena Hotel. Where is the post office? Where is the post office? Iposita iherereye hehe? The post office is down the street. The post office is down the street. Iposita iri hepfo y'umuhanda. Where is your school? Where is your school? Ishuri ryawe riherereye hehe? My school is near the park. My school is near the park. Ishuri ryanjye riri hafi ya parike. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Ejo wari hehe? I was at home yesterday. I was at home yesterday. Ejo nari mu rugo. When? Ryari. When are you free? When are you free? Uzaba ubohotse ryari? I'm free on weekends. I'm free on weekends. Mba mbohotse muri weekend. When should we meet? When should we meet? Duhure ryari? We should meet at noon. We should meet at noon. Duhure nyuma ya saa sita. When is the deadline for this project? When is the deadline for this project? Uyu mushinga uzarangira ryari? The deadline is next month. The deadline is next month. Itariki ya nyuma ni ukwezi gutaha. When did you start learning English? When did you start learning English? Watangiye kwiga Icyongereza ryari? I started learning English 5 years ago. I started learning English 5 years ago. Natangiye kwiga Icyongereza imyaka 5 ishize. When will the store restock? When will the store restock? Iduka bazashiramo ibintu ryari. The store restocks every Tuesday. The store restocks every Tuesday. Iduka rishiramwo ibintu buri kuwa kabiri. How. Gute. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. Mfite imyaka 20. How many pencils are there? How many pencils are there? Hari amakereyo angahe? There are 5 pencils. There are 5 pencils. Hari amakereyo 5. How much is it? How much is it? Kigura angahe? It is $50 US. It is $50 US. Ni amadolari 50. How was your vacation? How was your vacation? Ikiruhuko cyawe cyagenze gite? My vacation was great. My vacation was great. Ikiruhuko cyanjye cyagenze neza cyane. How big is the house? How big is the house? Inzu nini bingana gute? The house is very big. The house is very big. Inzu nini cyane. How can I improve my English? How can I improve my English? Ni gute nakongera icyongereza cyanjye? Practice speaking and reading every day. Practice speaking and reading every day. Ujye witoza kuvuga no gusoma buri munsi. Who? Inde. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Inshuti yawe magara ni iyihe? My best friend is Ali. My best friend is Ali. Inshuti magara yanjye ni Ali. Who is on the phone? Who is on the phone? Ninde uri kuri telefone? It's my mom. It's my mom. Ni mama. Who did it? Who did it? Ninde wabikoze? Chris did it. Chris did it. Chris niwe wabikoze. Who do you think will win? Who do you think will win? Utekereza ko ari nde uzatsinda? I think Sarah will win. I think Sarah will win. Ntekereza ko Sarah ari uzatsinda. Who will be attending the meeting? Who will be attending the meeting? Ninde uzitabira inama? All team members will attend the meeting. All team members will attend the meeting. Abo mu kipe bose bazitabira inama. Who discovered the law of gravity? Who discovered the law of gravity? Ninde wavumbuye itegeko rya gravite? Isaac Newton discovered it. Isaac Newton discovered it. Isaac Newton niwe warivumbuye. Why? Kuki cyangwa kubera iki? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Kuki wishimye? Because I got good news. Because I got good news. Kubera ko nakiriye inkuru nziza. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Kuki uri guseka? Because the joke was funny. Because the joke was funny. Kubera ko agakino kari gasekeje. Why are you late? Why are you late? Kuki wakerewe? Because there was a traffic. Because there was a traffic. Kubera ko hari imodoka nyinshi mu muhanda. Why do we need to study English? Why do we need to study English? Kuki dukeneye kwiga Icyongereza? To communicate globally. To communicate globally. Kugira twumvikane n'abandi ku isi yose. Why does he always complain? Why does he always complain? Kuki ahora yitotomba? He might be unhappy with things. He might be unhappy with things. Ibintu bishobora kuba bitamushimisha. Why do people exercise? Why do people exercise? Kuki abantu bakora imyitozo? To stay healthy. To stay healthy. Kugira ngo bakomeze bafite ubuzima bwiza. Whose. Cyande cyangwa wande cyangwa se hande. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? Iyi modoka ni yande. This car is John's. This car is John's. Iyi modoka ni iya John. Whose books are these? Whose books are these? Ibi bitabo ni ibyande. They might be of Hakiza. They might be of Hakiza. Bishobora kuba ari ibya Hakiza. Whose ID is this? Whose ID is this? Irangamuntu ni yande. See the name on it. See the name on it. Reba izina riyiriho. Whom. Inde. Whom are you with? Whom are you with? Uri kumwe nande. I am with James. I am with James. Ndi kumwe na James. With whom did you go? With whom did you go? Wajyanye nande. I went with my sister. I went with my sister. Najyanye na mushiki wanjye.